Welcome everyone to another camera comparison video. Today in this video I like to share with you guys Poco M2 Pro and Realme 5 camera comparison. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Poco M2 Pro comes with quad camera setup. First, 48 megapixel 1.8 aperture 26mm wide. Second, 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture. Third, 5 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro camera. And fourth, 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. On the other hand, Realme 5 comes with quad camera setup. First, 12 megapixel primary lens with 1.8 aperture. Second, 8 megapixel ultra wide 2.2 aperture. And third, 2 megapixel depth sensor 2.4 aperture. And fourth, 2 megapixel macro 2.4 aperture. By the way, you looking for the best Gcam for your Poco M2 Pro? I'm find the best Gcam for your Poco M2 Pro. So this video coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Both camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video. So now I am recording both camera 1080 30fps video. Poco M2 Pro comes with single 16 megapixel 2.5 aperture selfie camera. On the other hand, Realme 5 comes with single 13 megapixel 2.0 aperture selfie camera. So today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.